Kia ora, architects. Christine here from Markham. Just wanting to make you a quick instructional video to show you how you can request support from us or any of your suppliers when you're working through your specs in Masterspec. Obviously, we can get in there from our side when you request support, and then we can edit up your specifications. We know our products really well, and so we can do that super fast and get that back to you, leaving you to carry on with the rest of your project. So I'll show you where you can find instructions in the Masterspec portal here under training and on-demand video training. You'll find this video, how to collaborate with manufacturers within Masterspec. You can see I've paused it here. Once you've opened up the work section, if you go right up to the top, the contact, and click work section support, that means that we will get a notification. You'll have to select whether we can edit, and then we can edit that specification up for you, and it's super simple. Looking forward to working with you on your specifications.